Hello, in this video, we intend to fund the T4Trade Broker account using the Skrill method. We log into the account. In the dashboard section, we select the deposit option. In the available deposit methods sections, we will go ahead and select Skrill as our option.
Do you know why your profits are smaller than your losses? Because you don't analyze your trades, you just execute them. Download the Trading Journal app for MetaTrader 4 and 5 for free now.
Here we select the account from which we want the amount to be deposited. We select the desired currency, which we set to USD, enter the amount we want to deposit, and finally click the Submit button. At this stage, we select the Pay with Skrill wallet option. We review a message before proceeding with the deposit. To complete the transaction, the email added to your Skrill account must be the same as the one you use on the merchant's website. What should you do if your Skrill account email is different? Add the email you used on the merchant's website as a secondary email to your Skrill account. And if you don't have a Skrill account, simply register on Skrill. Use the email that will help prevent issues with your transactions. So the next point is, before you want to make a deposit via Skrill, keep in mind that if you intend to do this through the browser, click on the Continue in Browser option. Exactly in this way, scan the QR code you see here in your Skrill wallet. At this stage, you enter your password and log into your Skrill account. To fund your account, select the Pay option. And to complete the transaction, select the Confirm option. A code will be sent to your email address for your Skrill account. Enter the code. Please carefully enter the specific PIN code that is strictly required for successfully completing your secure digital ID transactions. Select the Pay option. The transaction was completed successfully and the amount was credited to our account. In the History section, we have this entry. We can see it, a $50 transaction via the Skrill method. Also, the amount will soon be added to our account and balance. After just a few minutes, we will see the updated balance amount successfully reflected in our account. Also, the transaction has been completed and we successfully funded the account via Skrill. In future videos, we will be with you to discuss other deposit and withdrawal methods in Blocker T4 Trade. Wish you success.
7 powerful volume trading indicators: footprint, volume profile, and fast scalp. Level up your trading.